Who loves face masks? Don't I look fabulous, darling? This is a green face mask and it is cucumber. It's called Resting Mermaid Face and it's from our brand new Mermaid Posh line for summer 2018. Do you use face masks? Well, if you've never used a face mask, this is a great starter face mask for you to try. It is smelling like cucumbers. It feels so nice on my skin. Besides looking really cool or scary, it feels so nice on my skin. This one is, like I just said, Resting Mermaid Face. It's an exfoliating probiotic face mask. So it's super nourishing to your skin with yogurt and fermented pomegranate. I smell cucumber on this baby. So I'll read to you what the back of the face mask says. Deep clean skin with exfoliating fruit enzymes and clays while helping skin feel balanced and hydrated with probiotics, aloe vera, and soothing cucumber. There it is. Apply to clean face and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse and follow with moisturizer. So perfectly posh face masks are made in the USA with only the best ingredients Mother Nature has to offer. You can feel good about putting this on your skin, and after you rinse it off, your face is going to feel smooth, soft as a baby's butt, and cleaner than it's ever felt before because those clays pull out all the gunk and the yogurt nourishes and puts in those probiotics into your skin. Who knew that probiotics were good for our skin too? In this next clip, I'm going to show you how I applied my Resting Mermaid Face. Feel pampered? You deserve it. Get yourself your own Resting Mermaid face mask at emeryposh.com and check out the whole line of Mermaid Posh. It's so fun, perfect for summer 2018. And if you are not an Emery Posh customer, and if you are not in my VIP group, you are missing out, girl. So head on over to emeryposh.com, check it out. Leave me a question, if you have a question, in the comment section. And also, I'll be doing reviews on all the Mermaid Posh, so be sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any Mermaid Posh videos. Have a great day! Don't forget to pamper yourself.